Hi, my name is JT Webb, and I'll be talking about the Great Dismal Swamp. Sorry about the noise. I'm at church camp and I'm just trying to record this. Great Dismal Swamp. Location and description. The Great Dismal Swamp is located in North Carolina, also partially in Virginia. The climate is humid, subtropical temperatures ranging from 4 degrees Fahrenheit in the winter and roughly 78.8 degrees Fahrenheit in the summer. The terrain is a mix of forest wetlands, marshes, waterways, with humid summers and mild winters. Where it is located. As you can see on the left, there is a satellite picture of the Great Dismal Swamp. And on the right, you'll see a red blob that kind of shows you, where it's at on the map. You see it's in Virginia and North Carolina. Biodiversity. It is home to the endangered species, the crocketed woodpecker. It has a variety of ecosystem services such as water quality improvement, flood control, carbon sequestration, and habitat for diverse wildlife. About the red-cockaded woodpecker. It is the only species of woodpecker that excavates its cavities, especially in living pine trees. The birds also peck holes in the bark around the nest entrance, causing the tree to leak pitch that helps keep tree climbing snakes away. A cockaded is a ribbon or ornament worn on a hat. The cockad of the red cockaded woodpecker is the tiny red line on the side of the head of the male. Uh, Going into it, we have a couple of trees that are very common there. And afterwards, we have very common animals. One of the common trees is the Atlantic white cedar. It's not a true cedarwood tree, but actually is a cypress. It is well known for its durable rot non-rot wood or rot-resistant wood, and it can live for over 1,000 years in undisturbed habitats. The Tupelo bald cypress. They are excellent at sucking up floodwaters and preventing erosion. They also trap pollutants and prevent them from spreading. They are also used as breeding grounds for frogs, toads, and even salamanders. Next, we have the sweet gum oak pope. They're popularly known for its beautiful fall colors ranging from red, orange, yellow, and purple. The spiky pods, known as balls, were used as a cat deterrent in flower beds and also as mulch. The resin from the tree was used by Native Americans and early pioneers to create what we call chewing gum, the maple black gum. This tree is known for being able to provide food and shelter for various animals. They have a very valuable source of nectar for bees, making them important for beekeepers. They are typically confused with permission tree, but that can be distinguished by the pointy leaf shape on the black gum trees. The pine. They are evergreen conifers, meaning they can keep their needles year-round and produce pines as well. They play a crucial role in ecosystems, providing habitat and food for various wildlife. They are also very useful for certain industries like constructions and paper. Now been to the animals. Black bears. They're not always black. They can also be brown, cinnamon, bluish gray, or even white. The adult males, known as boars, can weigh between 126 and 551 pounds, while the females, known as sows, can weigh between 90 and 330 pounds. They are the smallest bear species in North America. The bobcat. They are the smallest in the lynx family, known for their bob tails. They're excellent climbers and swimmers, and their powerful leaps allow them to ambush prey. They communicate with various noises, including snarls, caterwauls, which is howling or wailing, and even screams. The otter. They are social animals that live in family groups called rafts. They have a diverse diet ranging from fish, crustaceans, and mollusks. They have dense fur, which helps them traverse through the water and are able to hold their breath for up to 8 minutes. The weasel. They're known for their weasel war dance, a series of erratic movement used to confuse prey. They have the ability to change the color of their fur during the winter time for better camouflage. They have such a fast metabolism that they can eat up to 40% of their own body weight in one single day. Current threats to the swamp. Human threats to the swamp include draining and logging of the swamp, pollution, and building of roads and structures around the swamp. Natural disturbances to the swamp, fires, storms, droughts, or even flooding. Conservation and restoration. They're collecting data on hydraulic conditions, wildlife populations, forest habitats, invasive species, and wildfire. They're re-wetting the swamp, which means flooding the ground with water to resupply the fens. which fins are the section under the swamp that uh, allows water to stay and it's helpful to reduce fires, even flooding, and retain carbon-rich peat soil. Why it matters. The Great Dismal Swamp is important for many reasons. It is important to our society with the ecological significances it has in helping clean the world, provide shelter and housing to various wildlife, and the historical value that it holds being part of the Underground Railroad and being one of the only water-based stops. And that sums up my presentation about the Great Dismal Swamp. Here's my one of my works cited page, and here's the other. Thank you.